Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is part 7 of our Terraform Made Simple series. In the previous videos, we learned about Terraform variables and how Terraform evaluates configuration. In this video, we are going to understand Terraform modules, one of the most important concepts in Terraform. To keep things simple and safe, I'll use a random pet example. We are not creating any cloud resources yet. The goal here is to understand how Terraform modules work conceptually. Once this concept is clear, using modules with AWS or any cloud becomes very easy. Alright, let's jump into Visual Studio Code. I am inside Visual Studio Code and I have opened a simple Terraform project for today's demo. This top level folder is my root module. This is where I run all Terraform commands, Terraform init, plan and apply. Inside this root module, I have main.tf, outputs.tf, terraform.tf and variables.tf. I also have a modules folder. Inside the modules folder, I have one reusable module, compute, that generates a random pet name. This structure is more than enough to understand how Terraform modules work. Before we look at any code, let's clearly define what a Terraform module is. A Terraform module is just a folder containing Terraform files. There is no special syntax, there is no special keyword. Terraform treats every folder of .tf files as a module. The folder where we run Terraform commands is called the root module. Any folder that the root module references using a module block is called a child module. So, module equals folder. Now, let's open main.tf in the root module. This file is the entry point of Terraform. Whenever we run Terraform init, plan and apply, Terraform always starts execution from the root module. Even though we also have a main.tf inside modules folder, Terraform does not execute that directly. Terraform only loads module code when the root module explicitly references it. So, remember this way, Terraform executes modules by folder, not by file. Now, let's look at what the root main.tf is doing. In this file, we have Terraform block with random provider. And we have module blocks, module app1 and module app2. We are calling the same module twice with the same source. Each module block creates one module instance. Even though both modules points to the same source folder, modules compute, Terraform treats them as two independent instances. This is the core idea of Terraform modules. We write the module code once and Terraform reuses it every time the module is called. So, one module definition, multiple module instances. Now, let's look at the module names. In this example, the module names are app1 and app2. These names are module instance names. They are not folder names, they are not file names. Terraform uses these names to track state, keep resources isolated and reference outputs. So module name equals instance name. Now let's go inside the module folder. This folder contains main.tf, outputs.tf and variables.tf. Together these files form one reusable Terraform module. Terraform loads all .tf files in this folder together. File names like main.tf, variables.tf and outputs.tf are just conventions to keep code organized. What actually defines a Terraform module is the folder itself, not the individual file names. So, a Terraform module is defined by a folder. Now, let's open the modules main.tf file. This file contains the logic we want to reuse. Inside this file, we define a random pet resource. This resource generates a human readable name. This code is written once inside the module. Terraform reuses this logic every time the module is called from the root module. So, write the logic once, reuse it many times. Now, let's run the Terraform commands. First we run Terraform init. It downloads the required provider and sets up Terraform's internal files. Terraform has been successfully initialized. Let's run Terraform plan. Terraform plan shows what Terraform would create without actually creating anything. Let's run Terraform apply. Confirm with yes. Terraform is now creating the resources. Even though the module code exists only once, Terraform creates two independent results, one for each module instance. Same module code, multiple instances. Now, let's look at the outputs. Outputs help us see what Terraform evaluated internally. Here we can see two different output values. app1 full name and app2 full name. Each value comes from a different module instance. This is from app1 and this is from app2. Even though the module code is the same, each module instance has its own state and produces its own result. So, one module, multiple independent results. So, let's quickly summarize what we learned today. A Terraform module is a reusable folder of Terraform code. The root module decides how many times a module is used. Each module block creates a separate module instance. Even though the code exists only once, Terraform tracks each instance independently in state. Remember this way: one module definition, multiple independent instances. This random pet example helps us understand how Terraform modules work conceptually. In the next video, we will take this same pattern and apply it to real AWS resources. Let's quickly look at the official Terraform documentation. Here, HashiCorp explains the module hierarchy. Every Terraform workspace includes configuration files in its root directory. Terraform refers to this configuration as the root module. Modules you configure using module blocks are called child modules. When you apply a configuration, the root module calls the child module. Terraform adds the child module's resources to your workspace. You can configure the root module to call child modules multiple times within the same configuration. A child module can also have its own nested child modules. This matches exactly what we just demonstrated in this video. The root module orchestrates and child module implement reusable logic. And that's it for Terraform Made Simple series part 7. Today we learned what Terraform modules are and how the same module can be reused to create multiple independent results. If you are enjoying this series, please like, subscribe and share it with someone learning Terraform. Remember, captions are auto-generated, but they are mostly accurate. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.